morning everyone. My name is Satyadil Deshpande. I study in first standard section C. My topic is why I love my mom. My mother name is Suki. She is very loving and hardworking. Mother goes school for the entire family. She teach me good manners and moral values. I love my mother very much. She is very important part of my life. She always take care of me. I love you, mother. Thank you. Have a nice day.
थांब. थोडंसं जोरात म्हण. हळू ओरडून नको म्हणू, पण थोडंसं जोरात म्हण. मलाच नाही ऐकू आलं, टीचरला काय ऐकू येईन? थोडंसं जोरात म्हण आणि असं टेकू नको, सरळ उभा राहा. हां, पाय हात समोर कर असं बस.
Good morning.
थांब. टाईट बस.